In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar keyboard shortcuts for faster event creation. Open a new browser tab, then go to calendar.google.com. Once Google Calendar loads, look in the top right corner and click the gear icon. In the menu that opens, click Settings. On the Settings page, move to the left sidebar and click Keyboard Shortcuts. Find the option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts, then check the box beside it. This setting saves automatically, so there is no Save button to click. Now click the back arrow in the top left corner to return to your calendar. To open the shortcut reference, press Shift plus question mark. A keyboard shortcuts dialog appears, with shortcuts grouped by category. Keep this in mind as your reference sheet while you learn the keys you use most. Press Escape to close the dialog. Now switch views using single keys. Press D to switch to day view. Press W to switch to week view. Press M to switch to month view. Press A to switch to schedule view, where imported events appear as a list. Press W again to return to week view. Next, move around dates without clicking. Press J to move forward 1 week. Press J again to move another week ahead. Press K to move back 1 week. Press T to return straight to today. Press G, and the Go to Date box appears in the center of the screen. Type the date you want to jump to, then press Enter. To create a new event, press C. The full event editor opens. Type the event title into the title field, letting the title appear clearly before moving on. Near the top of the editor, use the date and time pickers to adjust when the event should happen. When the date and time are set, click Save in the top right corner. You return to the calendar view, and the new event appears in the grid. To open that event, click it once in the calendar grid. A small preview pop-up appears. Press E, and the full event details page opens. Press Escape to close the details and return to the calendar. Click the event once more to select it. Press Backspace or press Delete, and the event is removed. An event deleted toast appears at the bottom of the screen. While that toast is still visible, press Z. The event reappears in the calendar grid exactly where it was. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You have now enabled keyboard shortcuts. Open the shortcut reference with Shift plus question mark. Switched calendar views with single keys. Moved between dates from the keyboard. Created a new event. Opened it. Deleted it. And restored it with undo.